Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can use Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's start. So using or playing with Monopoly Go is so much fun and easy. For example, when we open the game, we can see right here this red button, Go. This is where you can roll the dice. And look at this 80-30, it means that you have 80 dice. And then you can see wins, build, album, and then friends. Tap on build to see what you can build. For example, tap on build. Right here you can see the things that I can build. But I need to pay so I can build. So make sure that you have enough money to buy. At the top you can see your money. To get more money, you have to continue playing the game. It is really fun and easy, so try it out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.